Hey guys, Bing here. Yesterday we modeled this cavity sliding door. Today we're going to make it full panel and two panels on each side. Okay, so let's start. Edit this family. Go to floor plan. So first, let's change the wall to a little bit thicker. First, let's change this one. This will be just make a door a little bit wider for now. So 36. Then we'll change this one. Create a new parameter for this. So let's call it with 1/4. Okay, and then go to family types. Width divided by 4 equals just 1/4. Okay, then we need to widen the cavity. So go to family type, cavity width equals thickness times 2, because that's 2 panels here, and or maybe just 25. Leave 5mm gap. So so just at 25. So now that's the cavity. So we need another reference plane here. These are the symbolic lines. Just delete them for now. Dimension these. I'll leave 10mm gap here, up there, and 10mm here. Lock. Yep. And now this is the symbolic line door. So I just need to unlock here, and then move this up along to this reference plane and the lock. Then I'll need another one, copy. So this one will probably sit in here, and then along to this reference plane. So now select these two, so mirror to here. We need a reference plane here, and the dimension it. Then use the width divided by 4. So, and then also align this door. So use this reference plane, and we need another. So that's another 100. RP 100. Lock, align, and lock this one, align, and align to here. Okay, so click on this door panel because the width is not right. So just go edit type, width, change it to width divided by 4, and okay. So now the panel will match the cavity. So select the cavity. Hang on, go to 3D view. Select the cavity here. Yeah, cavity, the void, edit, go to floor plan, and then pick line, lock, pick this one, this one. Oh no, not this one. Pick this one, and trim. So we need another one here. So pick line, pick reference plane, trim. So now go to 3D view. So the cab. So change the scale. So you'll see that's a cavity there. So both sides. Okay, go to floor plan. Now we have these 4 symbolic door. So only show on floor plan. Now we need to do. See, this is a model for family 16. This is the model panel. So previously it's one single door. So now we need to unlock it. We need to move it. So let me just drag it here. Edit type. Change the width. And okay. And then I'll roughly place it here, and another one will be about here. So align this door to this and this. So this door, it's about here, but actually, just notice that we might need to make the door slightly wider, so they will overlap each other a little bit. So what we can do is, let's go to the family type, create a new length parameter. Let's call it overlap OV, yep. And okay. So the width here, let's just try 50, and then here just plus OV, and then okay. So now the door panel's 50 mil wider. So if I move it here, so roughly it will be 50 here and 50 here. So because I'm going to use the reference plane 50 from this one, so create a reference plane dimension, and select the dimension OV. Now align this block and this door panel along. So these two are finished. So select these two, the other side. We need another OV dimension here, dimension OV. Then lock this to here, and the middle one. So I'll probably AL, and this one. Okay. So let me check. Go to 3D view. Yeah. So that's 4 panel. And go floor plan. If I turn on the, so you will only see these 4. So same, you can add the symbolic line here and here, add some arrow here. I'll leave it to you. So and also some might say they want to open this door. Can we do that? Of course we can. So go to floor plan. I'll turn that back off. So select all these model panel, and that's visible. Create a visibility parameter. Let's call it closed. So these 4 panel will be closed. Will be the closed one, and then let me just copy one, and then this one. Click on here and create a new one. Let's say opened. And now we need to place this into the cavity. So just align this to this, and align a lock, and align this to here. and then make sure it's model, so just copy it up there, and then align and align. So select these two model, mirror, and do the same, align and align and align. Yeah, make sure you pick the right one. Align this one. So now let's go back to 3D view and turn on the preview. So in family type, go down there. So that's two options, close, open. So we can add a formula, open equals not closed, and apply. So now it's closed, and then if I untick this one, so it's open. So okay. So now let's test in the project. So yeah, just make it wider, 3, 6. So this is the full panel cavity sliding door. So close. Yeah, yeah, that's correct. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, just let me know. And in the floor plan, so yeah, you can add an arrow, symbolic line, elevation, same. You just get rid of helm. Yeah, in the elevation, it will show this open or close. So yeah, just need to add an arrow with the same open or closed visibility parameter. So yeah, if you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I'll see you next time.